New leak highlights Galaxy S24 Series new AI features. A recent leak reveals new AI features in the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Series, a move seen as Samsung's challenge to Google. Scheduled to launch on January 18th, the Galaxy S24 Series details were mistakenly listed by retailer Walmart, showing a 256GB variant with 12GB RAM and a 6.7-inch 2K display. The leak provides key insight into Samsung's focus on AI, with features similar to those found on Google Pixel 8, as first reported by Roland Quant on X. Highlighted AI features include Live Translate, previously exclusive to Pixel 6, and Generative Edit, reminiscent of the Magic Editor, and Nightography Zoom for clear night shots. The Galaxy S24 Series slogan, "Epic just like that," was also leaked, a change from the S23's experience in OW. Uncertainty remains if the AI features will function directly on the device or require processing through Samsung servers. The video ends by prompting viewer thoughts on the Galaxy S24 Series and its forthcoming launch, inviting comments below.